crushed by the wood.
Alright, so this was pretty challenging, not gonna lie. There was a lot of learning that went involved with this, but I got it done. It may not have been the most efficient way to do it, but I did do it. I popped one blade off whenever I was starting the second cut. Whenever I pulled the log forward, my blade was too low, and whenever I started the mill and the blade started spinning, it hit the wood and then it threw the blade off of the wheel. So that was a whole debacle. The blade got caught up in the wheel and had to replace the blade. But anyways, if you were to ever do this, I would put the blade a little above the wood. So let me show you what I did. It does give it a little step. I'm not sure how much this is going to affect it whenever I start putting the rafters on, but we'll see. I just used this and I laid it down and I put the blade on top of that. So whenever I took this away, there was, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch space between the blade and the wood, and that worked very well. I was able to do all 4 sides like that. So if you watch my previous video about milling a 16.5-foot log on my mill to use as the beam going across the 2 posts between my sawmill, I found that tree that I cut down and I was like, it's so close to the mill, it would be silly not to try and mill a 21-foot log, so that way I will never have a problem getting any kind of log to the mill. And so that's what I did. It's going to be a little interesting getting this beam up onto the post, because the post will be 10 feet out of the ground, and I'm not really sure how much this weighs, but it's not light, so we will see about that. If you enjoyed this video or you found something useful out of it, I hope that you will like it, and if you're not subscribed, I hope you will subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and see you next time.